Y'all, it's not even the next day. It's 32 days after the day you saw me, and I can explain. Basically, I had things to do. End of explanation. But I'm back like a booty crack, and I'm very excited to finish cleaning my house. As you guys seen, I did clean majority of my bathroom, but of course I've been using it for the past 2 days, so I gotta go ahead and like do a little bit of cleaning too. And I also did not mop the floor yet, so I gotta do that. There are literally people riding their bikes and walking, just having the time of their life. Actually haven't been bike riding here or like walking, like just to walk. Like I really need to do that and just take some time to myself and relax and enjoy the amenities that I'm paying for, because I'm paying for it. But yeah, I look like a clown right now. I got so many colors on. That's okay because we're in the house and we're comfortable. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning everything you guys see behind me. It's a lot of mess back there, and also my closet is extremely dirty and unorganized, of course, because I don't have organizers yet. But I'm gonna do the best that I can to make it look a bit more appealing. And I'm also gonna just tidy things up, organize them, and then we're gonna move to the kitchen and do the same. So yeah, let's go. Y'all, so this is what I have to clean. I am not excited at all, and my closet is just very messy, and I gotta find a way to fit all of this stuff out here in here. And yeah, we have our work cut out for us. Hey Siri. Play Practice by the Baby. So in case, ooh, y'all please ignore that little bra over there. It's cleaning everything. I don't know why it's on the floor. But in case y'all don't know what I'm doing, I'm basically arranging all of my dresses, shirts, and stuff in this bin. And I'm also gonna put all of my pants and everything in that bin. So this bag is full of clean clothes. All I have to do is, unpack it, put them in here, and I'm gonna stack these on top of each other, which is gonna give way more room. And this bag right here, as you can see, full of shoes. Oh, also my apple cider vinegar pills, y'all. These help tremendously. If y'all are interested, I'm gonna link it down below. But yeah, I'm gonna put my shoes on that right there. I really want to put my shoes on top of this thing up there. You see it? Like, I seriously want to, but I already have this very cute shoe rack, so I think I'm just gonna use that and just put more things on top of here, like this big black bag full of my video equipment. But I'm gonna show you guys what everything looks like once I'm done with that whole process. All right, y'all, so update. We finally got some walking space, so that's really good. I still have to take the shoes out of this bag and put them on this rack. I'm also gonna move my towel and my purse and everything, put them up here. Tired ain't the word for me right now, y'all. I'm so freaking happy because in my old house, I used to put my purse on top of the shoe rack, like up there, and I had a good amount of purses. I'm glad I have some space right here. You might be confused because I told you I'm gonna put my clothes in here, which I did. But all of these are clothes that I bought. I have to do a fashion haul for, and these are just extra clothes that I could just grab easily whenever I need. And these are all of my jackets. I am gonna get like hangers to hang them up like under here, as I should, but for now I don't have that many hangers, so I'm gonna hold off on that, but that's definitely coming in the future. Over here you just see a blanket and a big comforter. I'm actually gonna change my bed sheets from what they are now to that, and I have new pillowcases. I'm gonna put white pillowcases. I'm about to just fix my shoe rack, and we still have a long ways to go, but my music keeping me late right now. This nigga ain't heard of me. All right guys, so I'm done with the shoes and basically setting up almost everything on the little shelves and everything. Y'all, this is not gonna be the finished look. Like, I literally don't even have enough shoes to fit my little shoe rack, and that used to not be the case, believe it or not. So I really had to get rid of a lot of shoes because I'm like, I don't really use you, so go. But now it's time for kind of the exciting part, because I kind of get a break, but I don't know if I'm gonna allow myself to take it. Let me just show you guys what I mean. So I got this thing as like a little housewarming gift. This right here, I think it's pronounced Eufy. I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar with it. Basically, it brooms, vacuums, cleans the floor for you so you don't have to broom. But I am gonna mop. But in the meantime, while I fix this big mess behind me, I'm gonna go ahead and use this on the closet. I'm also gonna show you guys how to use it. I'm actually gonna go ahead and plug it in because I did disconnect it. Oh, look, y'all, gotta find the remote. And I know exactly where it is, baby. This is the remote, y'all, and depending what you want it to do is what you press. Let's click on A for automatic real quick. It's just gonna do its thing, like go around the whole house and clean it, which is very, very nice. But since we wanted to focus on a specific part, I'm gonna go ahead and wait. Yeah, I can control it with the arrows. Basically, bring it to the closet. Oh my gosh. Come on. Let's see if it's gonna pick that thing up. I think that thing is too big. Oh wow, they picked it up. That's great. I don't want it to get out the door. Y'all, bad news. Because I actually took it out of the charger, it's literally about to die. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna let it charge. And while it's charging, I guess I'm just gonna broom the closet and everything later when I'm brooming the whole apartment. Hey Siri, play Martin and Gina. Okay y'all, quick little update. My body is actually extremely tired. Like, I am worn out. I've done so much work already today, even though it might not even seem like it. But I'm gonna go ahead and take a little breather. Talk to y'all real soon. It's not even the next day. 2 days later. Baby girl, we about to rush because I gotta go to church. It's Sunday. Let's go. Alright guys, so I'm basically done brooming the house. I'm gonna mop soon, but before I do that, I have to wash some dishes. It's not a lot, y'all. It's just this, these spoons, and well, actually I have to wash all of these because these are brand new silverware, Tupperware, whatever they are. Yeah, I have to wash all of them. I have to clean the countertops, clean these cabinets so I could store them, and then I'm gonna mop the house. So before I wash them, I'm actually gonna go ahead and take them out of the sink. I'm gonna clean the sink first because I don't know what has been in here. I'm gonna be generous with it. Okay y'all, now I'm gonna put all of my cleaning products under here. I know some people put it in their bathrooms, but I'm just gonna put it here because it's really not. I know I have wooden floors, and I know there are some things that you could buy, some cleaning products that you could buy for wooden floors, but as of right now I haven't gotten any yet. But I do have some Fabuloso which you can't really go wrong with. I know for wooden floors, you're not supposed to like wet them too much. Like this baby right here don't look like it's gonna wet the floor too much. And y'all, this is also gonna test whether or not that little machine did a good job sweeping the floor, because if this thing is extremely dirty, then it did not. I think I put too much. Yeah. Y'all, I'm about to mop my house for the first time. Wow. Alright, y'all, what I'm doing now is going over everywhere that I've mopped, and I'm kind of drying it in a way. But yeah, I'm just gonna go over all the places that I already mopped at. And I have socks on so I don't dirty it. Even though with wooden floors, it's harder to see whether or not it's dirty because I'm so used to tiles. But yeah, I'm just gonna do that. I already mopped the kitchen. It's actually kind of dry, so I'm not gonna really focus here, but I'm gonna go over the closet again. And I did not mop the bathroom. I don't know why I left that. Oh, I know why I left that last. Y'all, it does not matter where I am. I always leave the bathroom for last. I feel like that's like the dirtiest place in the house. And I don't want like anything from the bathroom that wasn't a mop to go anywhere else in the house. Oh my God, I cannot believe I'm finally done. It's a good day to be alive right now. Change of plans, I'm actually not gonna go to church today. My mom called me to come over because we're having a seafood boil, a whole seafood boil. So I'm gonna just pray with her and everything. You know what I mean? So the very last thing that I have to do in a way is throw these out. I'm not sure if I should throw this out yet. And this is garbage, but it's not full. So I'm just gonna leave it here until it gets full so I can throw it out. I know I look crazy right now and very sweaty and messy, but I just want to thank you guys for watching my video. And if you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are on the road to 50K subscribers. And yeah, let me know if you guys want to see more vlogs like this. I'm definitely gonna do more because I love spending time with you guys. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, Fufu out. Love you.